What is up, all you Lowheat sneakerheads watching YouTube videos while you eat your cereal? Let me know what kind of cereal you're eating. I would love to know. The adults, the 30 plus adults. What are you snacking on these days? All you under 30-year-old people, let me know. Anyone in the below 20s, let me know. I never really liked fruity cereal, but I'm more of a Honey Bunches of Oats guy these days. Well, I always have been, to be honest. Ooh, look at this. New box. New box. This is not the typical Jordan box that's usually black and red like this. We're entering a new era here. New era for boxes. Also, this is very similar to the Nigel Sylvester box. Oh, that's actually thicker. But new era of boxes, apparently, and a new era of getting Jordans for retail. Just sitting on shelves, which is really good in a few ways. This is this box. I don't know if you can tell. It's like embossed. It's a really fancy box. Not sturdy, but cool logo, embossed logo there. And then, or is it deep? No, it's embossed, not debossed. So what do we got here? We got the Air Jordan 1 Low 85, certified 85 cut in white, navy, and white. Size 11.5. That's my size. I usually go true to size in Jordans, most Jordans. So there you have it. Before I unveil these, please subscribe. Plug for the channel. Takes a second. Boom. Easy. Way cheaper than, a Twitch subscription, Hulu subscription, your favorite OnlyFans girl. Way cheaper. This is free. And yeah. All right, let's see here. We'll talk more about the Jordan market. We're going to talk more about the Jordan market, collecting retro Jordans, etc. We're going to try them on foot. I have a couple other shoes to compare them to, and then yeah. So stick around. Don't just click off once you see it. Watch the whole video. It'll be worth it. All right, there's the inside. Different paper layout. It's not. Interesting. I don't know. This is mundane crap, but if you're watching an unboxing video, this is what the stuff we're gonna go over. So, but it's folded this way instead of that way. We're mixing it up here in 2024. Whew. These are clean. You know what's wild to me? What is absolutely wild? Not only are we in the post sneaker hype era, but on top of it, like, I don't want to sound old man on the porch. I'm relatively new to the sneaker collecting, not appreciating and liking shoes. That have been my entire life since age 4.5. But, like kids, hype beasts, and kids, not just hype beasts, just kids in general, kind of like, meh, or pass, or trash. Like, but these are like, this is an actual retro of one of the Jordan 1s that released back in 85. They only did 2 low tops back then. If some of you might already know this, so sorry, but some of you who don't know, this is a retro of one of the shoes that was released in 85. You had your main 3 colorways, of course, the signature breads, the black and reds, the Chicago colorway, and the black toes. Those were the 3 that he wore in games or mainly in ad campaigns or to various functions. And then you had all the different variations of those, the Kentuckys, the Carolinas, the black and whites, the neutral gray highs, all the different highs, and the metallic versions, the metallic highs. But they only did 2 low tops back then. I guess maybe they did a KO low top too, but they only did 2 low tops back then, and this was one of them. This metallic navy was one of the original low tops. They only did 2. They did the neutral gray. They did the neutral gray, and then they did these. And that was it. Let's see, no extra laces in here. Yeah, no extra laces. So, back to the original point about saying this is that, like, these are so slept on right now. You can get these on stores for sale, even under retail. My friend copped these off Goat for true under retail, because that's I'm factoring in fees, shipping, all that. He still got them for less than what I got these for. I entered a raffle on Feature and hit, and that came out to, like, I don't know, 180 something, and he got his for less. And thankfully, I only entered one raffle because I figured I would have a good chance of, hitting. So I only entered one raffle, not wanting to like, triple up for $500. And yeah, he got his for under my total price on Goat. So check if you're interested in these. All right. I know I'm bouncing all over the place, but the point is like back, during the sneaker hype, not only were Air Jordan 1 lows popular, like God, I paid so much more. I think I got taxed on those Starfish Jordan 1 lows. I really wanted them. I'm happy I got a pair, but like, man, I paid like 300 or something. People were so hyped on them, and then the sneaker economy started falling, and like I think these kind of were the start of it. These, the coral pink, the Mystic Navy, I think they were called, in black ones. I did unboxings of all those. All these sat for retail. They had redropped them, etc. And yeah, that was kind of the downturn. But like back during the sneaker craze, like a true Jordan retros, a retro of an original colorway, those would have sold out instantly, resold. And I get it. Navy blue, for me, my name's Fancy Pants, or my handle is a little, it's just whatever. But the upside is it goes well with everything. So I get that it's a little just plain, but for me, I'm trying to get one. I don't have the money or the resources or the connects to get a full 85 set. Like, that's crazy money, crazy effort. I don't have that. And then to get them in wearable condition, not just like, I would want them wearable. I wouldn't want them just to sit on the shelves and be like really hard bottoms. That's too much. So I'm just trying to get a retro of each of the originals. So like this, like if you're like me and just want a retro of each of the originals, this is a great opportunity to get in. A lot of like prices, affordable prices on the ones that have come out. Like you can get half the collection right now for retail, maybe a little over on some of them, but it's going to be way cheaper than getting originals or some of the older retros like the 95, 94 ones. These are here. I'll go over some of the. I forgot to point out some of the details here. So you obviously got your metallic swoosh there, and so compare this to like they did all the high tops. This is the only ones that they're kind of missing some of the retros on. Like every other retro except the black toe has been redone recently, and the Kentucky, Carolina blue, and of various the metallics, and I think they're going to be doing the burgundy one this year, or maybe re-releasing this red one. So you can get like most of the Jordan 1 collection, the retro versions of them. They've done them. There's just a handful of the metallics now, highs like these. I love these. This is what got me into sneaker collecting recently. These came out in 2017. I love this pair. It was like probably my first pair of Jordans in the modern era, and I love this pair. As you can see, I've worn them a ton, and if they re-release these, I'll probably pick up another pair just to freshen them up. These were on sale forever, cheap, affordable, until really like 2020 when they took off, 2019, late 2019, 2020, when everything started taking off. Then finally these like dried up at affordable prices. But these are the 85 cut. So you got like canvas, which I think is true to the 85 versions, canvas tongue, not this nylon tongue you see here. Canvas tongue. What else? You got the printed on size and manufacturing number on the side. This cloth insole, all kind of true to the old school ones. I'm not an expert on the toe box shapes, etc., or the amount of dimpling there, the star, how many millimeters the star grooves are. I would watch, Chris Nightwing's, the Wear Testers video on these. It's a good breakdown of these. I watched that video. So if you want more information about the shoe itself, go watch that one. It was a good video. Let's see here. But what really ticks me off is, so these came out, what did these come out? 2019, I think. These are the neutral gray, and they don't even call them neutral gray. They call them like particle gray. These came out, Jordan 1 low tops, a few years back, And they didn't, and then they retroed them again immediately, like this past year, 2023, the 85 cut of these. Why did they do that? Any insider people in the industry who are still listening, still watching, who might know why, like manufacturing, marketing, product decision making, why would they make these in 2019 or whatever it was, 2020, and then immediately retro them after that? I get that they're now doing the 1985 cut, and that wasn't a thing quite when these came out. I get that, but like, why not wait like 5 years and apply it to this? Like, why did they immediately turn around and do an 85 version of these? Boggles my mind. Makes me feel like I missed out, bought the wrong thing. Let me know in the comments if this video, if I get enough comments that you want to see me buy the 85 cut ones of these, I will. I think there may be, if you're smart, you can find them on a couple retailers potentially. I'm really waiting for them to go on sale, those lingering retailers where these are available, but haven't been able to, I don't know, haven't pulled the trigger because I don't need any more shoes and it'll be basically the same shoe, slight differences. So, but you know, my OCD really makes me want to get that pair because that's like the true 85 cut, and this to me now is just a cheap knockoff. So yeah, I don't know, but it's interesting too. Another point of the retail release, the 85 cut of these and these, I don't think well, the 85 cut never released on sneakers. It only went to Jordan, Nike retailers, and same with, or select ones, and same with this one. I don't think this is coming to sneakers, and I think it's only been available so far at Jordan brand extended retailers, boutiques and stuff like that. So kind of interesting. Well, not boutiques. I think these are available at like your shoe palaces and stuff. So interesting how like the rollout for this product and the low top 85. So here we go. We're gonna try them on for you. Take these off. I've been enjoying these, but like again, in owning too many sneakers, I like these. Check out this unboxing, but you know, this is an original retro. I like these. I don't love them. I just wish now these were, you know, I'd save my money for these or the 85 cut. It's all right. I'll wear these. These are dope. Really good summer shoe, I think. I like them. I like them enough. All right. Let's put these on. So fit for these, like I said, I think true to size will be fine. The leather will stretch a little bit too. Sometimes with these videos, I like wearing stuff. I'm not doing a full body pick anyway, but I like wearing stuff that goes. Other times, I like putting on stuff that doesn't, like I wouldn't wear, just as a litmus test of how good the shoe is. You know, is it still fire even with something I wouldn't wear these with? Like, I don't think I'd ever wear these white low top Jordans with some Fear of God sweatpants. I just too clashy with the two light colors next to each other. It's just not my thing. Maybe a pair of Adidas flats, handball soccer shoes, I would. Adidas Fear of God feels like closer together. And these do look like basketball shoes. I mean, they're very close to indoor soccer shoes, but to me, someone who's wearing a bunch of both, I can tell the differences. And just, I don't know, for whatever reason, these in Fear of God sweatpants don't go. But here's what they look like. Show a little leg for you. With these like varsity, I would wear these like probably, yeah, with shorts and like these varsity collegiate Nike socks. And that kind of goes. I guess the blues clash also, if we're going to talk about similar colors clashing. It kind of drives me a little nutty. Maybe I have red ones of these. Maybe that's the move. Go with the red ones of these, and then they'll contrast better. Yeah. Really like these. I'm stoked that they're coming out with all the retros. This has that, I don't know if you can see it. There's the ankle liner right there. Here's the swoosh. I don't know if this is same as the old, you know, seems similar. This is slightly different. This is also more worn, but this is a wider weave on it, mesh. This is a little thinner, pretty padded there at the back. And I don't know if that's cheap synthetic, what that is, but looks pretty similar, a little different. I don't know, but just giving you the close-up so you can judge for yourself. Seems like pretty thick cuts of leather though, which is nice. And this leather seems better, I think, than this stuff. This stuff seems like softer, but like thinner. Definitely like soft leather, but that doesn't translate to better necessarily. So this one's a little bit sturdier. I feel like thicker. This is a little more tumbled, soft leather. And this is a reminder, this is not the 85 Jordan 1 Low from last year. This is the one from whatever it was. Let's see here on the date tag. What does that say? 27, 29, 2020? Oh no, 21. 21. Sorry, I kept saying 2019, 2021. These are the ones from 2021. So yeah. Again, here's the outsole, classic Jordan brand outsole. Let's get a good thumbnail here for you for the video. Again, navy blue isn't my go-to color. I like a little more vibrant colors, but upside is these will go with a lot of things. So that's the plus size. Happy to have them. Pissed I don't have the neutral gray ones, the natural gray ones that are the 85 versions. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about these in particular. Let me know about your thoughts on the 85 cuts in general. I think it's a cool thing that they're doing. I like it better than the reimagined almost. And speaking of reimagined, if you subscribe, I'm gonna have the Bread 4 reimagines, the black and red, black red cement reimagined 4 unboxing coming up. That's my next video I'm making, so please subscribe and watch that. Get my thoughts on those. Let's give these a rating quick. Nothing special about these, but I really appreciate, I love the silhouette of Jordan 1 Low. I love a low white shoe, predominantly white shoe. Love Jordan 1 Lows. Appreciate that they did the 85 version of these and these got retro. So let's give these an 8. Nothing more, nothing less. 8 out of 10. That's what I give these. Almost tempted to go lower just because of the colorway, but it's an OG colorway, super clean, like everything about the shoe. Nothing bad, just no bonus points. So 8 out of 10 for me on these. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.